Since Tesla unveiled its battery-electric light-duty Cybertruck in 2019, details of the Cybertruck are still a mystery both inside and out. However, it turns out new details on Cybertruck have been revealed. Because Tesla has such control over the market, the Cybertruck has the potential to be a huge hit in the world of electric trucks, despite all the delays it seems to be encountering during production. What are the specifications of this truck? What new features have been added? When will the Cybertruck be released? The anticipation is over, as we basically have the answers to these questions, so keep watching to find out. The Tesla Cybertruck has long been in the works by the electric motor vehicle company. However, due to a series of delays, production of the truck for sale is yet to commence. The first delays were attributed to supply chain problems that have been plaguing the automobile sector as a whole. Elon Musk claimed that Tesla would be unable to produce enough 4,680 battery cells for the Cybertruck. This has therefore caused another problem of the truck's delay, due in part to the automaker's inability to produce enough cells at a reasonable cost. Another challenge is the steel frame to be used, which would necessitate the development of a brand new casting machine. Tesla has planned to begin production of the Cybertruck in late 2021, but had to postpone it until late 2022. Reports that the Cybertruck might be delayed again were confirmed when Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced that Tesla will not be launching any automobiles in 2022. That means the Cybertruck won't be here until at least 2023. This did not come as much of a surprise, as Tesla has been forthright about its intentions, stating that it would not begin production on the Cybertruck until the Tesla Gigafactory had begun production on the new Model Y. This only began in March 2022, and it's become very instrumental for Tesla to prepare for the production of its Cybertruck. According to a report from Electric, Elon Musk verified the report, saying at an event for the launch of the Gigafactory in Berlin that Tesla wants to complete the development of Cybertruck by the end of 2022, with production starting in 2023. Although he didn't say specifically when in 2023 the truck would arrive. Musk confessed that he set an unreasonable deadline, but that this is due to his optimism. He also stated that it's important to remember, no matter the delays faced by Tesla's projects, they always get completed eventually. Tesla's stated goal in building the Cybertruck is basically to provide a sustainable energy substitute for the approximately 6,500 fossil fuel-powered trucks sold in the United States each day. The overall addressable market for full-size pickup trucks in the United States exceeds 2 million cars each year. It has been suggested that if the Tesla network of shared vehicles becomes available in the United States and globally, the Cybertruck will be able to produce an increased income stream. Before we dive further into this, if you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. When the Cybertruck was first introduced, Musk boasted about its power, even showing how it fared against a sledgehammer and 9mm handgun shots. The glass, on the other hand, was not as sturdy and shattered when hit with a metal ball. It's also worth mentioning that the truck is set to come in a variety of colors other than metallic silver. Less is known of the interior of the Cybertruck. However, early samples reveal that the interior will follow Tesla's formula that we've seen in earlier cars, particularly the Model X's extra-large interior. Everything is, however, much more angular, as one would expect from a vehicle with so many straight edges as the Cybertruck. Musk later explained that the angular design is due to the fact that it is made of ultra-hard 30X steel. In cold reduction mills, standard hot-rolled steel that has been rolled at temperatures above 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit is further treated to make it even stronger. That means the business won't be able to stamp the panels since it would destroy the stamping process. Even bending requires a deep score on the inside of the bend, which is how the prototype was manufactured. When Musk unveiled the latest Cybertruck prototype on stage at the Cyber Rodeo event in Texas in April 2022, he revealed a shocking new detail. The truck has no door handles. According to Musk, the vehicle detects your approach and simply understands that it needs to open the doors. Furthermore, Tesla has apparently opted to let the truck's rear glass drop, which would improve the Cybertruck's cargo capacity. The truck is also expected to include rear-wheel steering, akin to the GMC Hummer EV's Crab mode. This will enable the Cybertruck to drive diagonally to get out of tight spaces. Its side mirrors are designed to be easily removed, with the option of going without. However, the legality of driving without side mirrors varies by state, so prospective Cybertruck customers should double-check before making a purchase. The Cybertruck also includes a massive windshield wiper, with only one blade covering the entire front of the vehicle. Given the size of the windshield, Tesla's decision to use a single blade during the testing phase is remarkable. However, Musk stated that this particular design is not final. Naturally, the infotainment screen takes center stage, and like the Model 3 and Model Y, it appears that this screen will be the only source of information. Other physical features of the truck include a body composed of stainless steel alloy with a 6.5-foot length and 100 cubic feet of lockable storage in the bed. Tesla claims it will have a payload capacity of up to 3,500 pounds and a towing capacity of more than 14,000 pounds. The top-of-the-line tri-motor AWD model will accelerate from 0 to 60 in under 2.9 seconds and cover a quarter mile in 10.8 seconds. Tesla is positioning the Cybertruck to be an off-road powerhouse too, with up to 16 inches of ground clearance and adjustable air suspension, as well as an approach angle of 35 degrees and a departure angle of 28 degrees. It has both 110-volt and 240-volt power outlets, so you can plug in everything. The design of the Cybertruck has, however, been criticized by automotive safety organizations such as the Australasian New Car Assessment Program and the Euro New Car Assessment Program for failing to meet pedestrian and cyclist safety standards. The truck, in its current form, would most likely not be street legal in either Australia or the European Union. Concerns raised by these two bodies include the high stiffness of the exoskeleton's exterior, which results in a lack of crumple zones, as well as the truck's tall, flat front, which may exuberate the severity of leg injuries. 3 versions of the truck were unveiled, with Environmental Protection Agency range estimates ranging from 400 to 800 kilometers, 250 to 500 miles, and 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, times ranging from 2.9 to 6.5 seconds, depending on the model. The cheapest, at $39,900, is a single-motor rear-wheel drive with a range of over 250 miles, a towing capacity of over 7,500 pounds, and a 0 to 60 mile/hour time of fewer than 6.5 seconds. Tesla revealed that 17% of purchasers have chosen this model. The second model, that costs $49,900, is a dual-motor all-wheel drive vehicle with a range of over 300 miles, a towing capacity of over 10,000 pounds, and a 0 to 60 mile/hour time of fewer than 4.5 seconds. This model was chosen by 42% of buyers, according to the latest reports. The ultimate $69,900 tri-motor all-wheel drive has a range of over 500 miles, a towing capacity of over 14,000 pounds, and a 0 to 60 mile/hour time of fewer than 2.9 seconds. This model was chosen by 43% of buyers. According to Tesla, the single-motor Cybertruck can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in less than 6.5 seconds. By Tesla standards, that's sluggish. But this is a truck, and its size normally prevents any super-fast acceleration. This does, however, make the performance of the higher-end versions much more astounding. The Cybertruck with 2 motors can reach 60 mph in 4.5 seconds, while the Cybertruck with 3 motors can do it in 2.9 seconds. That's incredibly fast for such a massive vehicle, and it's likely to put some other, less bulky electric automobiles to shame. The Cybertruck, as a truck, will be able to tow 7,500 pounds with a single motor, 10,000 pounds with 2, and 14,000 pounds with the tri-motor type. The continuous delays, on the other hand, do not speak well for Cybertruck's chances, with the Rivian R1T and GMC Hummer EV already on the road, and the Ford F-150 Lightning on the way. The electric truck business is already heating up. However, one may argue that they don't wield the same clout as Tesla, particularly when it comes to range and price. What do you think of the new Cybertruck? Tell us in the comments, we'd like to know your thoughts. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.